Good morning, my peeps. Good morning, and I love you. Happy Thursday. Glenn is home from work today. He's gonna spend some time with his brother and nephew today and surprised me by getting up and saying, I'll take Allie. So I was able to sleep in for an extra 45 minutes and kind of be very leisurely this morning. So it's a spackle-free Thursday for me. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna try to get a jump on things since I've had my morning returned to me and see if I can't get a few things done before he gets back. Hope you have an awesome day. Tomorrow is finally Friday. I love you. Talk to you in a little bit. What a week, my peeps. I don't know what on earth is going on. I guess it's just the end of the quarter. But back-to-back meetings from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and the work just keeps on a-flowing. But anyway, deep breaths, Ruth. I just looked at the calendar and was reminded that I have the first week of April off. I had taken the week off when I was planning to go to Miami. The trip has fallen through, but the time off has not. So no matter how crazy it gets, I'm just looking so forward to that time away. But anyway, Glenn just left to go get Allie. The whole day is gone. And he ran some errands for me this morning and got a bunch of stuff done. And he went to Lowe's, look. So he ordered a new grill, which will be delivered Saturday. Excited about that. And he got all the stuff for the deck. You know, the pump sprayer, the cleanser to, get all the mildew and everything off the deck, and then the 2 gallons of stain, ready to get it stained, ready for warmer weather. That's going to be really, really cool to finally have that thing done. It's way overdue and looking forward to seeing it done at last. So no word on the mower. The yard is just suffering. We'll see if that gets around here by Saturday as well. But work's waiting, guys. Got to keep it brief. Got to get moving. Talk to you in a bit. Well, here's dinner, guys. It's chicken wings. I've had them marinating all day in mojo and Worcestershire, and I was going to bake them, then I was going to do the air fryer, but then my sister-in-law was going to invite us to dinner, and with a lot of back and forth, we've just decided we're just going to go ahead and deep fry these guys, or, fry them in a skillet, and just go ahead and stay home and eat. So it's been a long day, and we're tired, and the beat goes on. So let me go ahead and get this started now. It's a late start, so the vlog's going up late. Well, guys, another day and I couldn't get to the comments. Sorry. I mean, there's just no way I can get to YouTube the way work has been this week. So forgive me and bear with me while I hopefully get past this craziness. But I'm going to go ahead and give Glenn his cafe, put a little milk in mine, and call it a night. Maybe watch some TV and just relax. So remember, I love you, and I'll see you in the morning. Good night.